We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp effectively to manage your email marketing campaigns. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your control center for all things Mailchimp. To start, you might want to create an audience. Click on the Audience tab from the top menu, then go to Manage Audience and select Add a Contact to either import your existing contacts or add them manually. This is where you can also segment your audience for targeted campaigns. Next, let's create a campaign. Head over to the Campaigns tab and click the Create Campaign button. Select Email from the options, as it's the most common type of campaign. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your campaign, so make it something descriptive that you can easily recognize later. Once that's set, you'll enter the design phase. Here, you can use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to craft your email. Choose from a variety of templates that suit your brand style, or start from scratch if you prefer. Add your content, images, and links to personalize the email. Make sure to preview your email on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks good everywhere. When you're satisfied with your design, click Next. This will take you to the recipient selection. Choose your audience or segments that you want to target with this email. You can also personalize the email by using merge tags to include names or other specific details. Set your subject line and preview text, as these are crucial for open rates. Finally, review all your settings. If everything looks good, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling allows you to optimize send times based on your audience's behavior. Mailchimp also provides analytics, so after your campaign is sent, head over to the Reports tab to track its performance. This data will help you refine future campaigns for better engagement. And that's how you use Mailchimp to manage your email marketing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.